Hello everyone, I am Sneha Kushwaha, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rama University, Kanpur. Today I am going to discuss about a very important topic of pharmaceutical chemistry, that is antimicrobial agents. Antimicrobial. The name itself suggests what these agents are. So these are the agents which act against the various microorganisms, or we can say pathogens. So we can define antimicrobial agents as the drugs which destroy the microorganisms. These are the chemicals which help in reducing or preventing the infections due to the various microbes. Now there are various terms which are being used to define the antimicrobial agents. So there are majorly five terms which we can define. So first one is antiseptic. So antiseptic are the substances that are able to kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms, and these are specifically applied to the living tissues. Second one is disinfectant. So disinfectant are the substances that prevent the infection by the destruction of the pathogenic microorganism. These are also specifically applied to the inanimate objects. Third term is germicide. So germicides are the substances which kill the microorganisms. It can be a bactericide if it is killing a bacteria. It can be a fungicide if it kills fungi, or it can be a viricide. That means it has the capability of killing virus. Fourth term is bacteriostatics. So bacteriostatics are the substances which primarily function by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Static, bacteriostatic generally means that it does not kill the bacteria, but it will stop or arrest the growth of bacteria. Now, last term is sanitizer. Sanitizers are a type of disinfectants, and these are used to maintain the general public health standards. So these are the five terms. Now we shall discuss about the compound, that is hydrogen peroxide, which is an antimicrobial agent. So the molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. Now we shall discuss the various properties. First we will discuss the physical properties. So hydrogen peroxide is a colorless and odorless liquid. It is slightly acidic in taste. It is stable in the solutions of high purity. Now we shall discuss some of the chemical properties of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes rapidly in the alkaline solutions or in the presence of catalysts like copper, iron, and manganese. So, hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water molecule and oxygen. Addition of small quantities of acids like HCl, H2SO4, and H3PO3, as well as alcohol, retards the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Pure hydrogen peroxide decomposes very slowly. Hydrogen peroxide is quite stable, but its stability is enhanced by making it slightly acidic. And the solutions of hydrogen peroxide can be made slightly acidic by adding sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid. Now, the stability can also be enhanced by adding small quantities of preservatives or stabilizers like boric acid, urea, acetanilide, or hexamine. Hydrogen peroxide in aqueous solutions ionizes to give peroxide ion. So this is hydrogen peroxide, and it gives proton and peroxide ion in aqueous solutions. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a reducing agent also in the acidic solutions and reduces potassium permanganate. So this is the reaction which shows the action of hydrogen peroxide as a reducing agent. Now we shall discuss the storage conditions. So hydrogen peroxide is always stored in a glass stoppered bottle. Cork, rubber, or metal should not be used as it may be reactive with hydrogen peroxide. We can use plastic protected metal caps also. Then hydrogen peroxide is stored in light resistant containers in a cool place. And last, it should not be stored for longer durations because if it is kept for longer durations, it gets decomposed. Now we shall discuss the chemical incompatibility. Hydrogen peroxide is a strong oxidizing agent as well as a strong reducing agent. So because of its strong oxidizing property, it is incompatible with the sulfides and sulfides because these are oxidized to sulfate. It is also incompatible with the arsenides because it is oxidized to arsenides, and it is also incompatible with ferrous salts as the ferrous salts are oxidized to ferric salts. As I have already discussed, it is also a reducing agent, so it is incompatible with potassium permanganate as the incompatibility with potassium permanganate has been discussed earlier in the chemical properties. Now we shall discuss the uses of hydrogen peroxide. So the first use of hydrogen peroxide is it is used as a antimicrobial agent, it is used as an antiseptic, it is used as a topical anti-infective agent, it is also used for bleaching, or we can say cleaning wounds where pus is present. It is also effective antidote for phosphorus and cyanide poisoning, and it is also used for cleaning the earwax and removing the surgical dressings. Thank you.